Have you ever felt like your life's progress is flatlining? Like you're running in place, watching your best ideas fade because you just can't find the momentum? Let me tell you something. That feeling? It's not laziness. It's what I call the stagnation trap. And today, I'm handing you the map to climb your way out. Now, this isn't about quick hacks. This is a full journey, from feeling trapped to building real financial agency. We'll walk through 5 stages, and I'll mix in some hard truths about money, mindset, and the system itself. If you're tired of the hamster wheel, you're in the right place. Let's start at the beginning. Stage 1. Stagnation. This is that flat line. And it's not your fault. We're wired for instant gratification. Every dopamine hit from a new buy. Saving feels like a chore. The result? A scarcity mindset. You're only looking at the next bill, not the next opportunity. Your move here is psychological. Audit your finances. Be brutal. Then, automate your savings. Build that first tiny buffer. This fuels stage 2, ignition. Here, you make your money fight for you, against inflation. See, if you leave $5,000 in a bank for 20 years, inflation quietly turns its real value into about $3,000. Your job? Start investing. Put that capital in low-cost index funds. Let compound growth start working. This is your engine turning over. Now for momentum. Stage 3, acceleration. This runs on 3 fuels. 1. Cash flow. Start a simple side hustle, editing, social media management, something that brings in cash fast. 2. Connections. Your network is your net worth. Period. Talk to people who inspire you. And 3. Confidence. This lets you take the smart risks others are too scared to try. This stage is all about active effort. With momentum, you enter stage 4, expansion. This is where you build an asset portfolio. Think dividends, real estate, skills that pay you back. The key word here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across different asset classes to grow and protect your wealth. This all leads to the final goal. Stage 5, agency. This isn't just a number in a bank account. This is screw you money. This is the freedom to choose how you live and work. It's the story of people who saved aggressively, lived below their means, and retired to raise their kids. In their 40s, money becomes a tool for freedom, not a source of stress. Let's recap. The biggest takeaway? Financial freedom is a mental game first, a money game second. You must break the spend now mindset. You must build the confidence to act. The 5 stages are your map, but your mindset? That's the engine. Here is your non-negotiable call to action. In the next 24 hours, if you're stagnating, track 1 month of spending. If you're at ignition, set up a $10 weekly investment. That first step is everything. Your escape route is right here. Start today.